Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to split an object in TinkerCAD. So let's get started. First of all, select the cube and select the cutting tool. Alright, now just drag with your mouse and select align. Now I will use the button to align this, and basically I will use ruler tool just to actually use the ruler tool to align other objects. Now just click on your cutting tool and basically select on the hole and type right here 10 or -10. Okay, so we type -10. Now we select wall figure and click duplicate and repeat. Now just select the cutting tool and type 10. All right. And now what we'll need to do is basically hide this cutting tool. And now just select on this figure, then hold shift and select this cutting figure. And now just click union group. All right. And now what we'll need to do is basically unhide other cutting tool. So right here, click on this button. And now what we'll need to do is basically, now you'll be able to unhide with this little button. And basically what you'll need to do is select now this figure. So this, hold shift and click on this removal tool. And basically now click union group again. And now you'll be able to actually use these two figures. So you split those two figures from 1 to 2. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.